Hey, Confident Naturals. Welcome to Janaea's Journey. Now, today we're putting on some Eclipse makeup, and we're using this palette, and we're using this type of color here, and we go dot our eyes. Okay, we're blotching, making sure you get it all around in your eyes. Okay, like that. Don't worry about how long I take, or she take. All right, then we do the same thing on your other eye. Just blot it around. All right. I guess you use this particular finger, I guess, for your eyes. All right, see? Look how she look. And now we're in another palette color. You use the little sticky brush, the mermaid thing on it, and you dot your eyes, cover it again some more, okay? Then you do your other eye. Okay, y'all make sure y'all paying attention to this. Hard work here. Okay, body real even. See, now look at me. All right, now we're gonna use this dark brown color to do an overlay, and we're gonna make this look even smoother. It's gonna bring out some type of color. Let's see, there we go. You guys following? Okay, then we do the same thing on the other eye. Make sure you can see out your other eye. Okay, and now we got this thing here, and we're gonna use this shade of purple to bring out some other highlights and stuff. Yeah, I think I know that. Highlights, yeah. All right. Okay, there we go. That's cool. Go ahead, do that. All right. Now we'll come over to the other eye, do the same thing. Make sure you get it, spread it out real good. Okay, there we go. All right. Look at that. Woo, it's coming out good. All right. We're almost done with this now. So let's see what we're going to do. We're going to open this thing up, and I guess we're going to add some more over on this side. So the corner of our eyes is darker. Okay. Then we're going to add some more gold. All right. Blotch it nice and smooth. You got to take your time. But, okay. And see if y'all can find this little brush that I got with the mermaid thing, too. Okay. Spread it out real smooth. Now we're going to use this shade of color, and we're going to blot some more. It's going to take some time, y'all, because we got all night. All right. Here we go. We almost there, folks. Brush and brush and brush. Look at that. Now we're going to squirt this stuff on our face. This is some type of foundation that just runs down your face, and you have to catch it before it drop on your blouse or something. Okay, you blot this side with a tissue paper or cotton ball. Then you come over and do the same thing. And so you have that soul glow. All right. There we go. Doing good, doing good. Look at that. Look at that glow coming out. It's coming out. Make sure it don't get in your eyes. Be gentle with it, okay? Blot, blot, blot. Now this is when the magic starts. You got to make sure you go right down your face, and like an Indian or something, and spread it out real good. There you go. Rub it in. Rub it in. There you go. Make sure you get it nice and smooth, an even layer. Even layer. You know, the guys don't like it lumpy, so make sure you got it nice and smooth. All right. This is taking some time, y'all. I'm going to be in here all night. Man, folks already knew how long this take. All right, now I'm going to use this fish brush, and we're going to spread some more stuff on our face. All right, put this on here. All right, look at that. Don't I look like an Egyptian? Woo, what's up with that? Had to let the hair out, let that soul glow. All right, here we go. Spread it, spread it. This is how you get that powdery, smooth look. All right. Don't worry about what my lips doing. I'm just still putting it on. All right. There we go. Let's go. Let's go. Now we're going to pick this color here, This is sparkly, glimmery gold. I don't know where you can find it at because it's exclusive, but looks good on me. It looks good on her. Let's go. Uh-oh. All right. Now let's line the eyes up. Hold on. Think she got something in the eye. What's going on? Okay, let's go. Here we go. All right, now we just line the eyes up. And now we're using this out of this pink. You realize we're using a lot of palettes here. It's going to be cool. I learned that, yeah, palettes. All right. Now we're going to highlight the cheekbones and the nose because they got to pop. All right. Now we line this up. We fade it in. We fade it in. You guys got to have patience to do this. Beauty takes work. All right. Come on. What we got now? This is another color. Now, if y'all count these layers, y'all gonna say, damn. Uh-oh. Let's see. All right, now let's get down here on this cheekbone. Make sure you can see the shape. Ooh, look at that there. Look at that there. Hot. This is... Uh-huh. There you go. Hey, I see you. But look at that. Bow. Nefertiti in the building. Boom. Look at this. Check out my hair, too. Look.
Like and subscribe.
All right. So you like and subscribe right down on the bottom. See you later. Peace.